What if suddenly someone you loved was replaced by an identical imposter? Welcome to our journey into the depths of Capgras syndrome, where reality blurs and loved ones become strangers. The mystery of Capgras syndrome, when familiarity turns to uncertainty. In this video, we'll explore the perplexing world of Capgras syndrome, from its origins to its impact on individuals and their loved ones. Let's uncover the layers of this enigmatic disorder together. What is Capgras syndrome? Capgras syndrome, named after French psychiatrist Joseph Capgras, is a rare psychiatric condition characterized by a profound delusion that a person, typically someone close, has been replaced by an imposter. Imagine the confusion and distress of looking at a loved one and feeling a sense of doubt and mistrust. Historical background. Joseph Capgras first described the syndrome in 1923, shedding light on a phenomenon that continues to fascinate and puzzle researchers to this day. Since then, case reports have emerged, offering glimpses into the lived experiences of those affected by this mysterious disorder. Case report. Consider the case of John, a middle-aged man who believed his wife of 20 years had been replaced by an identical imposter. Despite her reassurances and familiar gestures, John remained convinced of her deception, causing significant strain on their relationship and his mental well-being. Causes of Capgras syndrome. The exact cause of Capgras syndrome remains elusive, but researchers believe it may stem from a disruption in the brain's ability to recognize and process familiar faces and emotions. Neurological abnormalities, such as damage to the fusiform gyrus, have been implicated in the development of this perplexing disorder. Treatment for Capgras syndrome often involves a multifaceted approach, combining psychotherapy and medication to address both the delusional beliefs and underlying psychiatric conditions. While there is no one-size-fits-all solution, many individuals find relief and support through therapy and medication management. It's important for everyone involved, doctors, researchers, families, and people with Capgras syndrome, to work together. By sharing what we know and supporting each other, we can make life better for those dealing with Capgras syndrome. So, while it's a tough condition, with empathy, awareness, and teamwork, we can navigate through it and help those affected by it. In conclusion, Capgras syndrome remains a fascinating and challenging condition, blurring the lines between reality and illusion. By raising awareness and fostering empathy, we can support those affected by Capgras syndrome and strive for greater understanding of the complexities of the human mind. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Capgras syndrome. If you found this video informative and engaging, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on mental health and wellness. Until next time, take care.